You're watching the Weiss channel. I'm going to record this session today, so people who couldn't make it to school can go ahead and.
Good morning, staff and students. Today is Wednesday, October 27th. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
So fast forward through this section, please.
United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated. You are a PBIS school and you're expected to show your Cougar pride. It is our school motto, which means you are prepared, respectful, involved, diligent, and eco-friendly. Mentorship groups will start this week. If you are a student interested in being mentored, see Ms. Clay during your lunch to sign up today. There will be an opportunity for students of all genders. This is not just an opportunity for girls. If you want to sign up for the boys group, please see Coach Lambert in the cafeteria during your lunch. Students who sign up will be notified of the application link and the interest meeting once scheduled. Seniors, the Maryland College application campaign is in full effect. Ms. Morton will be in your English classes this week. And next, the goal is that all seniors, whether planning to attend college or not, submit one college application. There are several schools in the state of Maryland with free applications. Also, seniors will set up financial aid accounts and research scholarships. 11th and 12th grade students interested in military service, the ASVAB will take place on Friday, December 13th. Respond to the email sent by Ms. Morton yesterday. There are 16 seats remaining. The 2022-23 FAFSA is now open. Seniors planning on attending 2 or 4-year colleges or universities can be submitted since the October 1st date, stopped by the career center so you can view your student paper report. Remember, the goal is to complete by December 31st. Interest in HBCUs, the MTM Foundation is holding virtual college tours this week. Go to www.mtmcollegetours.org to register.
Elections for class officer and SAO officer begins today. Election will take place in the English classes between today and November 4th. Results will be announced Friday, November 5th. Winter sports season is coming up very soon. If you're interested in basketball, cheerleading, indoor track, swimming, or wrestling, you must register. To register, go to tscougarsports.com and click on the More tab to get started. If you've already registered for sports this fall, all you have to do is add the winter sport you wish to play to your registration. See Mr. Hyder, the athletic director, if you have any questions. Be registered by November 11th or to begin on November 15th. Congratulations to the following seniors on their recent college acceptances. Demetrius Bennett to the University of Maryland Eastern Shore and College of Southern Maryland. Mina Osborne to Bowie State University and the College of Southern Maryland. Please send copies of your acceptance letters and scholarships awards to Ms. Morgan during lunch. Have a great day.
All right. Once again, today we are doing analyzing functions. Sounds hard, doesn't it? Watch how easy this is. Could we please have phones face down, please? All phones face down. Phones face down. We're going to close laptops. Close laptops. Everyone's focusing forward. Okay. Ralph, even you, face down on the phone. All right. Okay. Find the value of f of -7. What? F of -7? F stands for function. How does f, the function at -7, which means x is -7. If x is -7, what's y? -4, right? So here, Carla, good morning. So here, right, if x is -7 right here, what is y right here? Y is -4. Your answer is -4. Okay, easy. Same thing. What's f of -4? Means x is -4. When x is -4, what's y? -5. Right? If x is -4, what's y? Right here, right? What's this point? -5. Easy. Same thing. What's f of 4? F of 4. If x is 4, what's y? Right there, right? Y is 2. Right? 2. Okay. F of -6. X is -6. All right, this time besides Kalia, what is y? 4, right? Y is 4. The answer is 4. And you thought analyzing functions was hard. No way. F of 6. Here's 6. What's y? Don't be shy. Yell it out. Besides Kalia. 8, right? 8. Okay. Now we're going to write an expression. What? Wait a minute, Mr. Weiss. Too hard. Nope, not too hard. Okay. Noah is a waiter at a restaurant. Each day he works, he will make a guaranteed wage of $30. $30. Okay, I'm going to write that. 30 plus. However, the additional amount that Noah earns from tips depends on the number of tables he waits on that day. From past experience, Noah noticed that he will get about $7 in tips for each table he waits on. So I'm going to say $7 at 7. Okay. In this case, he waits on 16 tables. So how much money will he make in tips? 7 times 16, right? Does that make sense? He'll make $30 plus 7 times 16. Okay? What is 30 plus 7 times 16? Use your calculator. I don't know what 7 times 16 is. We'll find out. I don't even know. 7 times 16 is 112. Plus the $30, right? So in other words, it's going to be 30 plus 112. 30 plus 112 is 142, right? 142. Okay. So now there's a second part of this question. The second part says, okay, what if instead of saying 16, what if we say just plain T? Instead of saying 7 times 16, we say 7 times T. Seven times T. Does that make sense? All right. That's my answer. It says, what's the total earnings with T tables? 30 plus 7T, or 7T plus 30, right? Can I have a nod if that made sense? Right? Janae? Okay. Let's do another one. Tristan is ordering a taxi from an online taxi service. The taxi charges $3 Immediately, just by stopping for you and picking you up, it's gonna charge $3. Boom, 3. Plus $1.50 per mile. Right? $1.50 per mile. So $1.50 times how many miles? It says, how much would a taxi ride cost if Tristan is riding for 9 miles? $1.50 times 9, right? What is $1.50 times 9? Not sure? Use your calculator. 1.5 times 9. Oh, that's 13.5. Or 3 plus 13.50, right? $3 plus $13.50 would be what? $16.50, right? $16.50, right? Can I have a nod if you're okay with that so far? And now the other part of the question says, okay, well, what if instead of 9, we just say M for miles? All right, not so bad. I put in M. Done. Answer 3 plus 1.5. You can put 150 if you want. 3 plus 1.5 M. Okay? Can I have another nod? Are we good? Make sense? Not so painful, right? Look at all those words. And it was easy. Easy like Sunday morning. Aaliyah has a smartphone data plan that costs $45 per month. Okay. 45, right? Hey, oh, 45 plus, right? It includes 7 gigabytes of data, but we'll charge an extra $30 for every gigabyte you go over the included amount, which is if you go over 7, okay? So it's $30 times how many did she go over, all right? It says she went over by 5. Okay, 30 times 5, right? What's 30 times 5? 150, right? 150 plus 45, that would be 195, right? Easy, man. What if instead of 5, we said X? Instead of 5, we put in X. There's my answer, 45 plus 30X. Hey, oh. Huh? Mr. Weiss, how do you expect us to get excited about algebra and it's not even 8 o'clock in the morning? I get it. May is taking a multiple choice test with a total of 100 points available. Each question is worth 5 points. What would be her test score out of 100 if she got 6 wrong? So wait a minute, she's out of 100 means she starts with 100. So if she's got 6 wrong, you take that away. You take minus, right? Minus 6 times 5, right? I'm going to say it's 5 points per number of problems wrong. 5 times the number of problems wrong. 5 times 6, right? So 5 times 6 is 30, right? 100 minus 30 would be 70, right? What if instead of 6 wrong, she got X wrong? Instead of 6, she got X wrong. That's going to be 100 minus 5X. Yes? Not so painful. Mackenzie works in a department store selling clothing. She makes a guaranteed salary of $350 per week. $350. Plus, she gets paid commission. Commission? What the heck is that? You get a percentage of what you sell. A lot of places do that. You should work for like a clothing store that gives you commission. So if you sell $1,000 worth of clothes, they pay you for how much you sell. A percentage of that. Perla, face down with the phone, please. Okay. So here it says they pay 30% of your sales. So that's going to be 0.30. Can I have a nod if you understand that 30% is 0.30? Because you move the decimal point 2 places. Yes? 30% is 0.30. 50% is 0.50. 37%, 0.37. Good there? No problem? Okay. So it's 0.30 times 1,700. She did 1,700 in sales. She gets 0.30 times 1,700. What's 0.30 times 1,700? I don't know. 0.30 times 1,700 is $510. Plus the 350 is $860, right? What if instead of 1,700 in sales, she did X in sales? X. Instead of 1,700, I put in X. 350 plus 0.30 X. Done. Make sense? Not so painful. All right. Today you have another Delta Math assignment, 2 parts. The first part is going to look like these problems. That should take you about 2.5 minutes. The second part looks like these problems. That might take you 8 or 9 minutes. Okay? You've been watching the Weiss channel.